With this kit, you're going to be making the America's Team logo. If this is your first time creating with us, we want to share a few tips to make this experience a great one. If you haven't yet, visit our techniques videos linked in the description below. For all you first-timers, we sent you some pipe cleaners in your kit specifically to practice with these videos and learn common techniques that will make your piece even better. Regardless of how many times you've done this, you have some extra pipe cleaners in your kit in case you make a mistake. That's completely normal and we've planned for it. The more time and attention you give to your piece, the better it will turn out. So take all the time you need, follow the steps, and above all, have fun learning and advancing in this new art form. Happy twisting! Start with 3 blue pipe cleaners and bend each of them perfectly in half, laying on the template to make the outline of the star. Take a 4th blue pipe cleaner and cut it into thirds. Then set those to the side. We will use this to connect our star edges in just a few minutes. Grab the triangle with the opening pointing to the left when you're looking at it and cut that one in half. Use one of your thirds that you cut to connect to the bottom of one of the cut halves. Secure this longer piece to the end on the bottom left. This will make one long piece off the left end of the bottom of the star. Make sure to maintain the original length of the cut pipe cleaner. This will be where you bend it back up to recreate the star. Add another small piece to the other side of the one you cut originally. Now, grab the third triangle. Connect the piece you just elongated to one of the ends of that third triangle. You will then fold back at the original length to create the star shape on the template. Make sure your lengths are maintained by placing your design on the template at each step. Remember, if you get lost, just lay it back down on the template and see what you need to do. Add the final small cut piece from the beginning to the end of one of the open points. Then, connect that piece, maintaining the original length as you've done throughout, back to the frame to close your star. Mold the star to make it fit nicely back on the template, bending as needed, once you've connected all the pieces. Once you're happy with the shape, find an overlap point in the middle and pinch in place. Use another small piece to secure like a twist tie. Do this same thing for all the overlap parts. You will need to continue shaping as you go, and you can still slide the star to mold it as long as your connections are made like twist ties. Mold the star back to the template. Once you're happy with the shape, secure any ends of the twist tie connections to the frame to lock them in place. Check that frame one more time, then we can continue building the inside skeleton. Grab your frame. With the star point facing up, locate the middle angle opposite that point. Connect a new pipe cleaner to this angle and run it vertically to the top of that apex point. Loop over any pipe cleaner you come to along the way to secure. Take the excess and go down the right side of the small triangle of the apex to about midway and do a loop twist around that midpoint. Then, go across the small triangle and loop over the center support you just made and again on the opposite side to secure. Continue to wrap the excess around the side of the frame, working down to secure. Repeat this process 4 more times to create the same structure for each of your points of the star. Don't forget to loop each pipe cleaner you pass in order to make the inside frame secure. Now it's time to fill it all in. Start at the apex of one star point and fill in the small triangle. Connect your pipe cleaner to an outside frame, then weave over and under, making a turn to go back when you reach the other side of the frame. No need to loop these, just gently lay in the fill, making sure not to have gaps. Do this with each small triangle until they are all filled in. Don't forget to attach a new pipe cleaner as you near the end of the one you're working with to keep it going. To fill the center, simply start by connecting a pipe cleaner to an outside support and weave in and out as you did with all the points. Make sure to continue in the same direction throughout the entire center section. When you're done, trim the excess and tuck the small tail into the back to hide it. Almost there. Time to add the white trim. Grab a white pipe cleaner and start at the apex of any point. Push a small amount through the top of the apex, making sure to leave some blue above, as the white trim should not go all the way to the edge. Follow your star down to the first V turn and push the white pipe cleaner through to the back. Thread it back through to the top, through the same space if possible, but don't pull it all the way back through. Leave a small amount on the back that you can twist to secure in place. Now, make sure you don't see blue at your V and then continue up to the next apex. Keep repeating this process, threading back and forth and following your lines for all points until you reach the end. Don't connect pipe cleaners to extend on this part. When you're at an apex and you won't have enough pipe cleaner to reach the next one, simply cut on the back and secure. Then grab a new white pipe cleaner and start at the same point, secure a small portion to the back, and continue on as before. When you reach the end, make sure to trim the excess from the back and secure the tiny remaining portion so that it stays in place on the back of the star. Go back over to the front to make sure you have all the gaps covered and you're happy with the way it looks all the way around. And then you're finished. Awesome, way to go! We hope you enjoy your time with this unique art form. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and fun artistic creations. In the meantime, let us know in the comments what you want to make next, and happy twisting!